What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. Whatever's in this box was sent by the pass-around group, which means by extension it came from the manufacturer, but I cannot remember, as usual, I cannot remember what it is. So let's go ahead and get into it. As usual, if you would like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea by TAC Force to do all of your unboxings, you know, you guys opening up your weekly knives, follow the link in the description. Okay, what do we have here? Cut in there, obviously precision cutting. We have, yeah, this is kind of what I was hoping for. I'm pretty sure I know what this is now. So CJRB, for anybody who's not familiar, is actually the budget brand of artisan cutlery. And I've been checking them out on Instagram, and I actually reached out to them to talk a little bit. Oh God, that's cool. They have... This particular line, to me, kind of looks a lot like what I see in Bestech, and what I see in Bestech is that they think a lot like, I mean, my thought process on a folding knife, especially a budget knife, syncs up very well with Bestech, and this CJRB line, they have a lot of knives in that line that kind of look like that. What's cool about this one is it's kind of a cleaver style blade with some belly. You've got a nice tumbling on here, G10, nice chamfering there on the outside. Looks like the little teeny tiny screws, but we do have the full steel liners, some standoffs. It's a good, simple design. Running on bearings, great flipping action. Just another example of how some of these companies are just like really doing some of these budget lines really well. To be honest with you, I've never handled this, but it feels and looks exactly like in person, exactly how I imagined, and I'm really happy about that. I love that I have an opportunity to handle a bunch more budget knives all of a sudden, and I'm excited about it. This is cool. I like this. There is some room to get your finger up there. Feels nice and sharp, definitely. This is D2, as you guys could imagine, and it probably likely comes in a bunch of different colors. I've seen it in black and maybe blue. Pretty cool, absolutely. That's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing, guys. If you enjoyed this video, or at least found it entertaining, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe to my channel, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.